Okay, mommy. She right there. No. No! Thank you, mommy.
Where's your makeup?
No.
Baby,
Hmm?
what are you doing?
I'm in makeup. What's the makeup? Oh, here. Iga. Yeah. See you. Bye. Bye.
No.
Red.
No.
Okay. Someone your mommy? Yes. Okay.
Hey guys, welcome. Don't mind me now. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, my name is Elizabeth or Blossom. I am so happy to be back with you guys. I know that I took a long break, but I am back and with a good video for you guys. Today we are going to be reviewing, and not really reviewing, but just kind of messing with the Daisy Marquez palette. I am so happy for her, you guys. She looks absolutely amazing. She really killed it with this palette. I feel like she really did an amazing job. The pigment, the color, and everything, you guys will see it throughout the video how good this palette really is. If you guys don't have it, you guys should definitely get your hands on it. I know that she's sold out on it. But yeah, so let's get right into the video to see how I created this look. And if you guys are still interested, then keep on watching. Okay, so we're gonna get right into the makeup. I already did my eyebrows just because I didn't want this video to be extra long since I take forever on my eyebrows. But if you guys want an in-depth video on how I do my eyebrows, I can do that for you guys. Just go ahead and leave a comment or DM me and let me know. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. This is what it comes in. It's like in this little protecting like bubble bag, which is super cute. You can use this for other stuff, so I'm definitely gonna keep this. Also comes with her picture. She's making me so proud. Look at her. I'm excited to play with the palette. This is what it comes in, and I'm gonna open it because I have not opened it yet. Okay, right here. I have not seen a palette like this yet. It's super cute. That's super creative. I'm gonna be using this mirror so much. Like, I'll probably just use this because it's huge. Not even that, but the colors are so bomb. Each and every color in here is amazing. Like, she did that, you guys. I'm so excited to play with this palette. We're gonna be using this color as our transition color. I don't know what look I'm gonna do yet. You guys probably already know since you guys saw the intro, but we're just gonna go ahead and play with this palette and see what magic happens. Just everywhere to kind of set it, because it kind of looks like the same color as my skin, so I'm probably gonna have to use like a different color. But this is nice. Very blendable. Already, I can already see that. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and add Dulce. Wow, pigment. Yes, I love pigment. We love that. We love a good palette with good pigment. So just adding that everywhere as a transition color, you know, adding as much as you feel you need for your look. I don't know what look I'm doing yet. I'll probably do like an Easter or something type of look. Okay, so I went ahead with the vintage color. And I'm just gonna keep packing that on. And we're just gonna add that. Remember, I don't know what look I'm going for yet, so we're kind of just going with the flow. And I hope that it turns out nice. Okay, and then we are going to add passion fruit right underneath that. Like, I have an idea in my head of how I want it to look, but you know, when you think that something's gonna look a certain way, it just doesn't. bro. Okay, so I'm just blending those colors out. I hope that this video doesn't turn into a fail, because I would be very sad and I'm gonna have to refilm it, and I really don't want to do that. I do like about this palette that when you add the color onto another color, the colors don't change. I don't know if you guys have ever used a palette like that. For example, if you guys have the Lunar Beauty from Manny MU8, that palette does that a lot, and I do not like that, because when I'm trying to blend colors, it just changes the colors and then it's not what I want it to be. I just realized that I haven't been showing you guys what brushes I've been using. This one I believe is from BH. Oh, it was like a bundle that I got like a long time ago when I started using makeup more, and I got it as a gift, but I do know that it's BH because I saw the name on it. The rest of the brushes that I've been using have been from the Jaclyn Hill collection, which is another collection that I absolutely love. With this little brush, I'm adding a mixture of Bittersweet and Matter. Interesting name. Onto that crease, just a tiny bit. We're gonna go ahead and blend that out. And then this one is from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I believe that it came with the Modern Renaissance palette. Okay, so this is what it's looking like so far. So I am now just adding concealer, and this is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Fair. But it's a really good concealer. It's actually one of my favorite concealers. Now that we've cut the crease, we are going to go back with Bitter and Matter and kind of just add that. Okay, and now we are going to add Lucid, which is this purple. This is like a lavender color and it looks so pretty on. Wow, I am shook it. Okay, so we added that lavender color. Now we are going to add Bittersweet to the end of it with another blending brush. This one is from Lunar Beauty. And just adding that at the end right here. We are going to go ahead and blend this out. Now we are going to add our concealer. I like to cut the look with my concealer. I'm just gonna grab my blending brush and blend my concealer out. Okay, so I'm going to go back with the shade Naked with this big blending brush, and then I'm just gonna like kind of remove the darker areas, just because I wasn't trying to go for a darker look. Remember, we wanted to do, well, I wanted to do like an Easterish look. And then with that same brush, I am just gonna blend out this part too where we added the darker colors. If you guys want to keep it dark because that's just what you liked, then you can go ahead and do so. I kind of just wanted to take it off a little bit. I didn't want too dark. Now we're gonna do the waterline color, and we are going to use Daisy, which is this one. So we're going to use a brush like this and add it on the bottom. Now with the brush that we used for the lavender color, this one is also from BH, we are going to add the color Dream on the inside. It's really pigmented, and these two colors together just look, it looks like a fairy or something. We're going to use a little bit of this Cha-Ching color right here. It is like a forest money looking color. And we're just gonna add a little bit of that where we added Daisy. Now we are going to use our mascara. This mascara is from ColourPop. I do have a code with ColourPop. I'm going to link my code right here. And if not, it's going to be in the description so that you guys can go ahead and use that. And we're going to apply that. Okay, now we are going to add our eyelashes, and I'm going to be using my lashes from Secret Vanity. The lashes are so good. I've used these same pair of lashes over 20 times and they're still in perfect condition. They are in the style Sweetheart. I also have a code with them, which I'm gonna leave also right here and also in the description, so that you guys can get yourself some lashes and use my code to save money. So I'm gonna pop them in. These are the lashes. Aren't they just so good? Now we are going to go ahead and add our mascara at the bottom. Now we're gonna continue on with my face, and I'm gonna be using the Kylie Skin Concealer for my contour. I wanted to try this out as a contour just because I know that it's super creamy and I really do like it. Maybe I should have gotten a different color, but it's really blendable and it's not that thick to where you can't really work with it. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of concealer everywhere else. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that. And then I'm gonna use whatever's left from what I contoured on my nose. Now we're gonna set our contour with the bronzer, and I love this Hoola bronzer. I feel like it's the perfect shade. I'm just gonna add that where we contoured. Now we are going to highlight, and I am going to be using the one and only Anastasia Beverly Hills. Wow, beautiful. I mean, I'm just gonna add some on her nose right here. Okay, now we are going to do our lips. I'm going to be using the NYX Natural in the number 810. Okay, and I put that all over my lips. And then we are going to go with Butter Gloss in the shade Fortune Cookie and just add that. Sometimes I add blush, sometimes I don't. This blush is from ColourPop. It is in Count Me In 19C3 Super Shock Cheek. So it's this one. Again, I have a code with them, so use my code if you guys want to check this one out. It's just like the perfect color of blush. Like, this is just the blush that you need. Oh, it's just so perfect. So we are just gonna add a little bit of setting powder. Setting powder saves lives, so we're just gonna add a little bit, like a tiny bit of it, not too crazy. Then quickly just adjust it off. I don't really let it sit, and I'm just using this Morphe Jaclyn Hill collection GH08 to dust it off. This is not meant for this, but this works for this, so that's what I use it for. So this is the final look, you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. I know that it was kind of all over the place because I didn't know what look I was going for. I decided to do this along with you guys, but I ended up loving it, and I hope that you guys love it as much as I do. I had so much fun doing this video for you guys, and don't forget to subscribe because there are going to be more videos that I'm going to be filming. Give it a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed the video, and don't forget to leave a comment. We're almost at 1,000, so thank you guys so much for your love and support. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching.